keto for truckers. Getting ready to cook something. It's low carb, keto kind of friendly. It's not what I had planned because some ingredients had changed. But y'all stick around and see what I'm cooking. Well, if you notice, this liner is real big on this small crock pot. So I'm just going to trim it, give it a little bit of a haircut, because I don't think we need all that liner showing. Right. Okay. That way we can put our ingredients in there. Okay. I bought this pack of meatballs already prepared. They look like little eggs in the thing. There's a pound of them. So that's where my meatballs come from, because I couldn't find any ground Italian sausage. That's the closest thing I could find in a pinch. I had ordered it, but they didn't have it when I got up there. So here's what I'm going to do first. I already got the bag prepared. I cut that can there earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put, this is uncooked, crushed tomatoes. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the bottom there. This is 1/4 of a cup, 4 carbohydrates. There's a fly in here. I got to cut these meatballs down too. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm back up here in the studio now since I got all that done. I'm getting ready to leave in 30 minutes is up. I did the math. Everything together, all of that ingredients combined together was 87. So I'm going to use 88 carbs. So each portion, I did a crock pot and the aluminum pan. So 44 carbs for each preparation. One for the crock pot, then one for the tin pan. So that breaks down to about 22 carbs. If you're on low carb, 22 carbs per, well, if you eat half of the loaf pan or half of the crock pot, so you're looking at 22 carbs. Alrighty, figured y'all like to know, because I like to try to keep up my carbs, because I try to keep them as low as possible, especially on keto. Well, it's night time. I'm parched. Got my crock pot. Now I got to find a bowl. Hang on, y'all. Okay, I'm back. Look. Kind of fiddle faddle. That don't resemble nothing like lasagna. It tastes like cabbage and tomatoes with some Italian sausage in it. It's got cheese in it too. But, well, we tried. That's all I can say. Talk to y'all later.